Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, April the 22nd, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Laboucan. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. We've got, every day we come up with some news that looks like a combination of good news and the possibility that charts look to get stronger. The format is we tend to keep it at to about a 10-minute time frame. We only have 4 companies to talk about today, so we won't have any problems with the time frame. Today I'm going to start with Claude Resources. Claude Resources had drilling results out, and they had a really good, attention-grabbing drill hole there. 5.2 meters of 31.54 grams per ton gold. This is from their CB gold property operation, and that's in Ontario. They had several other holes with very good grades as well. 4.7 meters of 13 grams, 4.8 meters of 23 grams, 2 meters of 49 grams. You can find all the various different drill holes in there on the press release on the company's website. The stock today is, just pulling it up there. Sometimes my computer's a little bit slow. The stock today is flat. It's 18.5 cents on 30,000 shares traded. Just going to pull up the stock chart now. This one had a pretty solid move from the December lows until it got to the March high. Has come off of there, but looks to be creating a bottom here. Not sure if that one looks like it'll turn around really quickly, but I'll be watching for the shape of this bottom that it seems to be creating. The stock symbol for Claude Resources is CRJ, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next up is Sandstorm Gold. Sandstorm Gold has entered into a plan of arrangement to acquire Sandstorm Metals and Energy. Sandstorm Gold is a royalty type company where they buy offtake agreements and put up funds for companies to finish their production. And they tried to do the same thing with metals, their Sandstorm Metals and Energy, but it's never been very well received. That stock has never performed very well. Sandstorm Gold has done a lot better, and now they're trying to take that weaker sister off the market, I think, and merge it into Sandstorm Gold. The market wasn't too excited about this news. Sandstorm Gold is down 23 cents today, or 3.8% on 1.25 million. The stock's trading last at $5.76. This one's had a pretty good run from the December lows. It was trading at around 425. Got up to 775 in March, has given back some of those gains, but chances are it might be finding a resistance. What was formerly resistance at around this level could be support now. So I'll be watching for the rest of this week to see if it does hold that support. If it does, I'll be talking about this one on the Friday or at the end of the week for our best of the best and weekly stock picks, so we'll see how that performs for the next few days. SSL is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. Next up is Integra Gold. Integra Gold had drilling results from their Lamac project in Val-d'Or, Quebec. This is an extension drill program. They're doing a combination of trying to define and expand on the triangle zone at Lamac, and they had some very nice drill holes, 7 meters of 38.2 grams, Included in that was 241 grams per ton gold over 1 meter. And so this was an extension hole, so it confirms the continuity of the triangle zone. They had other holes in there as well with some very high grades as well. You can find that on the company's in the press release. Stock's up half a penny today to 24.5 cents on 1.1 million shares traded hands. I'm just pulling up the chart now, and this one started moving in late January from around the 18-cent level, got up to 42 cents, and been giving back some of those gains, but I think that this one could be bottoming out too. I'm going to watch it over the next couple days to see if it's a good candidate for the best of the best in weekly news or weekly stock picks. I do like what I see from the news. ICG is the stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Fission Uranium. Fission Uranium had a spectacular drill hole today. Continuous mineralization over 102.5 meters at 5.98% uranium. Included in that were several super high grade intersections, 3 meters at 27% uranium, 10 meters at 12.93% uranium, 14.2% uranium over 6 meters, 2.5 meters of 16.92% uranium. Just a spectacular hole. And what's really exciting about this news is that they seem to be getting a much better understanding of the ore body. They're really hitting on some real extreme high grades. It looks like there's a convergence of 4 zones coming into one zone, and as they've been drilling into that one area, they've been just getting their thickest intersections of high grade. This is a spectacular project, and these results are quite phenomenal. The stock is down 4 cents today, surprisingly, trading at $1.39 on 4.2 million shares. Not sure what the market was looking for on that news, but that far exceeded my expectations. And I think that these kind of holes just put the company much closer to being a takeover target. There has to be, every major in the uranium space has to be looking at Fission Uranium. It wouldn't surprise me if there was someone takes a shot at them soon. This stock is just too cheap for how quality this deposit is. The stock kind of went sideways from September to February. Then it took off it was trading at around the $1.05, $1.10 when it was going sideways. Got up to $1.72. Has recently given back some of those gains, but it looks very oversold to me. I will be talking about this one for sure on the Friday or the end of the week show, where we make our best of the best stock picks of the week. And I really like what I see here. FCU is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. That's all the news for today. Before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. We do the news show Monday through Thursday. We were off yesterday for the holiday, the Easter long weekend. And yeah, Monday through Thursday for the news show. Best of the best in stock picks on the week is at the end of the week. You can find all those shows at the news shows on the front page of AGORACOM. On the top right corner, just look for the video area. And also on blog.agoracom for all of our past shows, and on my website at alanberryreports.com. On that note, you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.